Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to check out travel requirements on the Kenya Airways application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone, then tap on the More button down below in the right side corner, and then tap on travel requirements in the middle of the screen. You should wait a few seconds till it loads in. Then you should select your departure point, and after your destination, select your departure date and your return date. After that you should add your travel documents, so you should select your document type such as passport, then issued by, and then select the country, your nationality and the expiry date. Click on the button submit down below, and here you can find the travel requirements. So here you can find all of them. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.